Welcome to Simian International. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your CISRS card and certifications in just a few simple steps. First, visit our website at simianinternational.com. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner where you'll find Verification button. Click on it. This will take you to our verification page, where you can verify all the certifications provided by Simian International. For this video, we're verifying a CISRS card. Simply click on the CISRS card verification button. You'll now be redirected to the official NOCN card checker website. Here's what you'll need to do next. To verify your card, use one of the following combinations of details you already have: surname and card number, surname and NI number, date of birth and card number, or date of birth and NI number. Once you've filled in the required information, click the Submit button and you'll be directed to the card detail page. I am going to use surname and registration number that is mentioned on your card. Here, you'll see all the courses completed under CISRS, and that's it. A quick and easy way to verify your CISRS card and certification. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our website for more updates and services.
Think safety, think Simian, trust the name.